Ahead of its scheduled second quarter earnings results on July 29th, expectations are mixed for UnitedHealth, with premium revenues estimated to grow year over year, driven by higher contributions from the United Healthcare division. The company is also expected to see growth in its Medicare Advantage members and Medicaid memberships, along with service revenues from the Optum brand likely to boost top-line performance. However, rising medical costs due to growing elective procedures may elevate UnitedHealth's overall expenses, potentially affecting margins. And although some investors view the dip in the broader healthcare sector as a buying opportunity, pointing to oversold conditions, others express concerns about potential long-term risks, given another bombshell development in UNH's deepening decline. UnitedHealth has confirmed that its Medicare program is under investigation by the U.S. Department of Justice. The company stated that it proactively reached out to the Justice Department following media reports about the investigation and has begun complying with formal requests from the agency. UnitedHealth expressed confidence in its practices and committed to cooperating with the department throughout the investigation process. The investigation, reportedly focusing on potential criminal fraud in UnitedHealth's Medicare Advantage program, has prompted the company to launch third-party reviews of various policies and practices. These include the codes used to evaluate patients' health status, managed care practices, and pharmacy services. This development adds to the challenges faced by UnitedHealth, one of the largest corporations in the U.S. and the nation's top insurer. The company has been navigating a tumultuous period, marked by significant leadership changes and public scrutiny. In December, Brian Thompson, the CEO of UnitedHealth's health insurance unit, was tragically murdered on a New York City sidewalk. The event sparked widespread outrage and criticism of UnitedHealth and other insurers on social media, particularly regarding care denials. Furthermore, Andrew Whitty, UnitedHealth's former CEO, stepped down abruptly in May, and the company suspended its financial outlook for the year due to higher-than-expected costs in its Medicare Advantage program. Former longtime CEO Stephen Hemsley has since returned to lead the company.